Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of the Intenso Powerbank S10000. That means this is a 10,000 mAh power bank, and here you can see what not to do in order to use correctly this power bank. So charging your electronic devices is the main usage of this product, but this also packs a lot of features as we see after we open the box. Now, opening the box, actually we won't need that. We can find the product itself. You can see that through the transparent packaging. This one is the graphite black one, and also we have a manual that comes with various information and different languages. So spend some time to read this information. Now, the power bank itself, as you can see, there is also integrated a micro USB cable and also a separate cable that's not really long actually. And here we have a USB 2.0 header with a micro USB on the other end of the cable. And apart from that, we have the power bank itself that doesn't have a lot of weight to it, but it's not really light either, and nothing else in the box. The texture and the feel of the plastic are actually surprisingly good. I mean, this is a M.A.D plastic surface that feels somewhat premium for the asking price of this power bank, and it somehow has a reasonable size, so carrying this around won't be an issue. And here we have the retractable USB mini cable that is attached to the power bank, so you don't have to carry extra cables around unless you need a USB-C port. And it can be closed like it's so. Let me demonstrate it for you. And now it's like somewhat a rectangle shape that you can retract and charge your device, and another micro USB and a full USB 2.0 port. Overall, this is a really sturdy build. I really like it, and actually to charge you need the micro USB to USB port. And so overall we have two charging ports, one USB and one micro USB, and one original charging port for the power bank that is a micro USB to USB. So overall this is a really nice bargain product. And that was the unboxing of the Intenso S10000 Powerbank from M.A.D. Thank you for watching.